Hello, this is our 6-foot long table from Amazon by Yida Home. It is exactly what it looks like, an incredibly practical picnic table that you can use for pretty much everything. We've had it for a few years now outside, and we live in a place with scorching hot summers, super snowy winters. So this table has seen it all, and it is in perfect condition. Obviously there's dirt on it, but there's no rust, there's no cracks, there is no rocking around, there's nothing loose. It is as sturdy as it was the day that we got it. My kids climb all around this. I've got two little boys, and I feel safe letting them climb all over this. I'm a big girl. I'm like almost 200 pounds, and you can like pretty much be up here. I mean, I don't feel amazing, but I feel like the table didn't break. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to get down now. Oh, okay. I love that it looks like wood. It's got the wood grain, but it's actually made out of, I guess, plastic. It makes for easy cleaning, and it makes for a longer lifetime of use, but it has that nice touch that fits nicely with your outdoors, with nature and that sort of thing. We definitely put it to use. We obviously use it for eating, but we also use it for my kids, for arts and crafts. I use it to work a lot when I want to sit outside and actually spread out something that I'm working on. I used it the other day actually as a yard sale table to handle doing the money transactions and stuff. It's easy to move around. You obviously need two people, but it's light enough that I've been able to use it on all different parts of my property for different uses without it being a huge pain, you know? So I've used it at a yard sale up front. I've used it for arts and crafts back there. I've used it for dinner times here. You know, I've worked at this table. It's pretty much a multi-purpose meeting spot, and it'll last you a very long time. I definitely recommend it. I'll shake it for you. Look, it's very sturdy. You could easily fit 6 to 8 people here. I mean, 8 if y'all kind of don't mind sitting next to each other really close. 6 if you want to make sure that you have your space, but it is a large table, and I love that the bench is attached. There's nothing in the way of the legs here really, so all the seating space is available. There's also even a little umbrella hole here that if you wanted to pair this with a shade umbrella, you could do that by popping out this little tab. Overall, what can I say? It's a great table. I have nothing bad to say about this guy.